Number 11. Antisense oligonucleotides, a novel therapeutic platform for neurodegenerative disease.
Some gene therapies seek to repair or replace what's been lost, like genes that are abnormally silent because of a genetic misspelling that terminates their usual function. But what happens when genes are broken in a different way that gives them new, often unexpected behaviors? Scientists have devised innovative technologies to neutralize such wayward genes. One involves a class of gene therapies known as antisense oligonucleotides, or ASOs, which consist of short fragments of DNA, or sometimes its chemical sibling, RNA. These fragments are synthesized in the laboratory to match the genetic code of the gene of interest. Such precision allows the activity of the target gene to be shut down at its molecular roots. Importantly, ASOs are relatively straightforward to engineer, so they can often be designed more quickly than other therapies. Now, the field of ASO-based therapies is rapidly expanding. Over the last 4 years, 6 new ASO drugs were approved by the FDA, and many more are under development for a range of conditions, including neurodegenerative diseases such as ALS, Huntington's disease, and Alzheimer's disease. There is a desperate need for drugs that can significantly slow or even stop the progression of these devastating conditions. For example, clinical trials of an ASO drug that silences a gene involved in some forms of ALS are now underway. The results are encouraging and point to the promise of this therapeutic approach for treating patients with neurodegenerative diseases.